I am Ashish, the founder of G8 Learner. So, in my previous lecture, how to create a table at the end, right? ये हमने देखा था, right? We have understood the half of the macro lecture, and now we will continue up to the end. Okay, so let's go. Now we will create a sheet here, 24th June, right? So another sheet we will creating and go to the macro, and after that data entry and run. Okay, so these are information is here, and another modify, run, and we will get this information. And right now we will go to the detail and run. Then it goes all information is here. Right now clear all, so run. And then uh, this attendance clear now, right? And again we will create again another sheet, and now control plus D. So we will get getting a information is here, right? Employee ID such as, and we will go to the macro and click on modify, click on details, right? Modify details and run. Then we will getting a this information is here. Okay, and now clicking a micro, and then again we will clicking a micro, and then clear all, so run. So the attendance will be empty. Okay, then make then save as, and this PC and arrow and desktop, and after the desktop we will putting here uh, Excel macro enable workbook, and then save it, right? So we will putting here another name such as macro mac, and save it, right? And so now close the all files, and asking you the same data, paste it, right? uh, there there that will not in the proper alignment, yes or no? No na. So I have set alignment like this, copy get things. This is not okay. Okay, you are going to the macro, right? So we will continue Visual Basic, and after the coding part we will go to the module, and after the module we will go to the modify is here, and 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 in this we will put a different kind of name is here. Okay, such as and we will replace the name one by one, right? Such as Sarah, Aman, and we will replace a name Thor, replacement as Ayush, right? We will replace the another one name is Shakti. So we will putting here another name such as Radha, right? And we will remove Shaktiman and another name is Ram, right? So that name, so these are our names, and we will go to the male and female option. It means gender option. So we will put here. So first one is our Sarah. So first name is, so first gender is female, right? So second gender is male, third gender is male, fourth gender is, we will check female, right? So we will making male to female, okay? Then last Radha and Ram. So last one is female and male, right? So we will do such as, okay, and then save and close it, okay. Then so right now we will click on the file, and first of all we will close, and we will go to the desktop and clicking on the file, and after that we will see all the modify changes is here. So right now Sarah is here, Aman is here, Ankush is here, Ayush is here, and Ram is here. So we will go to the macro, and after that go to the details and run it. So we will getting gender is here, okay. So we called macro, and we just name it conditional formatting, okay. Just a minute. We will enter here a P, right? So go to the home, and after the home we will go to the conditional formatting and highlight the cells and text that content, okay. Right now we will give the name male and yellow fill with dark, right? Okay. So first of all we will clicking here gender and go to the home, and after the conditional formatting and highlight the cell and text to content, right? So we will go, so we will give a name male, right? And after that hello fill with dark, right? Now changes is here, right? So we will go to the conditional formatting, uh, highlight the cell, right? Text to form text that contain female, and we will go to the green fill with dark text, okay. So right now we will getting a right output is here, and after that stop recording, okay. Okay guys, so right now we will complete the lecture is here, okay, and sign off this session right now. Thank you so much guys. sorry guys, we will check conditional formatting is here, right? अच्छे से आ रहा है या फिर नहीं आ रहा है, we will check. Okay, so first of all we will go to the macro, and after the macro we will check a conditional formatting. For one by one we will check data entry. So after that we will check modify is here, so write and run, and we will, after that we will check details. Okay, go to the details and run, and in all information is getting is here, and after that we will check the conditional form clear all, clear run, then attendance it will goes, and after that we will check conditional formatting, and uh, we will getting a right output is here, right? So so now we will so now uh, session is end. Okay, sign up this session right now. Now, thank you guys.